Hello everyone, welcome back to Razorpayx Payroll. Now that you have completed the basic data and compliance setup, it's time for us to move on to the next crucial step, setting up your employee and contractor data in the Razorpayx Payroll dashboard. Properly configuring this data ensures smooth payroll processing, accurate compliance, financial management, and data storage for all your employees on the platform. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up your employee and contractor data from entering their personal details to configuring their salary components. We'll cover everything you need to run your payroll smoothly on the Razorpayx Payroll dashboard. Let's get started on this. For that, I would like you to click on the Add Employee and Contractor option right here. Once you do that, you can see the features listed on the right, which will help you add your employees. Add one, as you see here, is beneficial when you have lesser employee count in your organization, probably less than 10 employees, so that you can add all your employees and contractors one by one. Add multiple is an option which is beneficial for you and recommended to you in case if you have more than 10 or more than 50 employees in your company, which of course you'll not be able to add one by one, and we make your lives easier by giving you an Excel template upon which you add all your employees details and onboard them on the software at a single bulk upload. I'll show you how to go ahead and do that, but let's look into the third feature option that we provide you, which is inviting many. Now, inviting many would mean that you can add your employees and contractors or create their profile by just using their email addresses. This is beneficial initially if you want to use the software for onboarding your newer employees and you do not want their personal information or their basic information to be set up on the platform, but just want to go ahead and create a profile on their name so that you can go ahead with your internal onboarding step and add those employee details later on in the software once they are a part of your organization. Let's start by looking into how do you add one employee on the platform. For that, I'll click on the Add One Feature option. The screen that you see on the dashboard allows you to select between an employee and a contractor. An employee, again, here is a full time employee payable per month. Contractor could be your interns, part time workers, freelancers, vendors whom you have hired for a certain project or for a certain duration in your organization. Once you have selected between the type of people, you can go ahead by entering their name and add their email address. Adding email address here is very important because on the designated email address is wherein the employee will receive a welcome email to create their profile and log in into their own employee self-service portal, that is their Razorpayx Payroll dashboard. You can also go ahead and add the hire date for the employee. Now, this again can be a past date, not necessary that you need to add a future date or the current date only as the hiring date of employee. I'll select the accurate date here, which is August 11, 2016, for my employee Daniel right here. Once done, you can then go ahead and add the job title. Job title here would mean the designation that you have appointed the employee upon their payslip. And you can also select the department on which they're working. We also give you the option to select the employer manager so that the manager gets notified upon any birthdays, anniversaries, leaves, or any kind of announcements that you make on the platform. Once done, you can also go ahead to proceed with adding the annual salary of the employee. Now, for example, if you're paying an employee 20,000 rupees per month, you can simply multiply 20,000 into 12 months, and that would be the annual salary of the employee. We ask you not to include variable pay in the annual salary that you put across right here. Once done, you can also select the location. Now, this location is not just to store data for your employee, but once you select the location, the software will also calculate the professional tax based on the state for your employees and make the professional tax deduction and filing and payment automatically on the software. Once you click on continue, that is how one employee's profile is created on the dashboard for you. And that is how you add your employees one by one on the platform. Let's go ahead and explore the feature called add multiple right here.